Greetings traders, this is Fortizo Trading Institution. I am here just to do a short analysis on this Volatility 75 index chart. Today it is a Sunday. I don't know at what time we're going to watch the video, but as I'm speaking it is Sunday. So today we've been trading, and as you know that here we are not limited by weekends or by holidays. This instrument is always running. So here before we dive into the analysis, we took this trade later today. At what time? Yeah, it was 20 minutes before 6. We took the trade here, and as you can see now it is running and it passed our target. So here it is, this one, it is my stop loss. As you can see, this dotted line, this is my stop loss here. So what is basically happening now is that I am looking forward to see the market pushing upward. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to erase everything, and I'm going to share with you why I took this trade. So let me just erase every object in this chart. Every object, delete. Yeah. So okay, let me leave my trades running. So okay. So first things first. So what you need to know before you can take any decision is that when you analyze, we analyze from higher time frame to a lower time frame. So what I'm going to do basically, I'm going to open the 4-hour. Although a lot of people like to take volatility in 75 index as a scalp signal, but here I took advantage of this trade, and I'm still going to take advantage of this move if it goes as I implemented. So what we do a top-down analysis, whereby we start in a high time frame and we go down to our lower time frame that we're going to use to confirm our execution. So what I'm going to use now, it is just pure price action. It is not any indicator or any strategy. I'm just going to use pure price action so that this video can be clear to everyone, even those who are not part of my student. So here what you need to know is that the principle of trend line trading, it says you can draw a trend line in a minimum of 2 lows or 2 highs. So basically the third high or the third low, it is your entry going forward. So here as you can see that here was our first touch, here our second touch, and here it was our third touch. So basically here it was a confirmation that okay, now we can enter as far as trend trading is concerned, because it is now a third touch. So in the third touch, that's where we are looking forward to take our entry. But now here is the secret: you do not just press the buy button or press the sell button. What you need to understand is it is not a matter of that the price is in the support or the price is in a resistance level, but the good thing or the secret that you need to know, it is how did the price approach and how is the price behaving in that level. So let me just zoom my chart. So what we need to see and what we need to look at for us to take a trade, it is how the price behave in this level. It is how the price behave in this level and how did it approach this level. You see, so when I looked here and I saw that okay, now price is reacting in this supporting trend line, I knew that okay, now I need to wait for what I call patterns within a pattern. I don't know if you know it, but there is what I call patterns within a pattern, whereby I made a video a long time ago whereby a pattern is formed inside another pattern. Like for an example, let's say price is moving in a downtrend, in an uptrend I mean. So you can see that price is moving up, but then inside these waves there are also another patterns. You see, there are also other uptrends inside this wave. Although it is a wave, but there is also a trend inside the wave. When you can go in a lower time frame, you will see that okay, there is a trend here. So that what we basically do, or that what I basically do when I analyze. I see that okay, price is on my supporting or resisting trend line, then I know that now what I'm waiting for, it is what I called patterns within a pattern, whereby a pattern will be formed inside another pattern, you see. So basically it is just that I just go to a lower time frame whereby I will see a clear picture and take it from the perspective of a lower time frame, but not ignoring the fact that I'm looking forward to a long position. So when I go to the lower time frame, I'll also be looking for the same long position. So let us just go to our next time frame, which is the hourly. Will end up with the lower one. So when it comes to the hourly time frame, you can see that now we can do something here. As you can see that there is a small uptrend here, and see that there is a multi-touch confirmation whereby the price touched this line more than 3 times. Basically this was the fourth one. So this is I hope now a lot of people can see that why maybe did I decided to say okay, let me enter now. Why did I decided to enter? Let me just show you in a lower time frame. So basically, do you see what was happening in the 30-minute time frame? It was basically like an uptrend. It was basically an uptrend. But when you look at the 4 hour, you see that no, it is not like a trend. It is a beginning of a correction or a corrective wave. It's a beginning of a corrective wave. But in the 30 minutes, it is like a clear uptrend. So me, what I did is that okay, I saw that in a high time frame, in the 4 hour time frame, basically the price is looking forward to go up. So then I need to go to a lower time frame to find a spot where I will enter, to find another pattern or another trend. So basically, if I don't find a trend, let's say if I don't find a trend, I will be looking for a breakout. Let's say here, if I didn't maybe find this entry here, I was going maybe, okay, let me just zoom. I was going to wait for something like this. I said price will go up and come back, and then at this level, that's where I was going to take the price up, even depending on how the price approached this level. If I don't take it direct here, I was going to take it for from this level here, depending on how it reacted. So that what you should know, and that what you need to do when you trade. Look at the high time frame and find the bigger picture, and find the direction or the side of the momentum, and then go to a lower time frame to find patterns within the pattern, like to find a perfect entry. You see, trade like you are trading the lower time frame, yet you know that your target is not in the lower time frame, but your target is getting the entire move upwards. But then you need to get it at the right time, so that you do not enter into a loss. So this is how I took this trade basically, which is at this time and at this moment it is on profit. Where is this thing? Yeah, it is on profit, and it seems like it is continuing to go up. So my stop loss will continue to remain in this level. As you can see, it is right here. It will continue to remain at this level, and I'm looking forward that maybe, let's say, the price continue to push up and it pulls back again. When it continues to go up, I take my stop loss up to this level. So that's how you can analyze this chart using price action. You do not have just to rely on what people are saying, but you should take your price action deeper than that, because these are not currencies. You can trade currencies with the information that they tell us everywhere, but when it comes to this instrument, you need to use the price action, but then add your own understanding